As a very forward-looking enterprise, Newland uses an automotive, digital, and centralized management to conduct statistics, excavation, and analysis of production energy consumption, and an intelligent automatic control system to provide support for enterprises to strengthen energy management, improve energy utilization rate, and tap energy saving potential, so as to further improve production efficiency and reduce production costs. We have passed the ISO 9001 and IATF 16949 system certification, implemented on-site 5S and Visual Management and Intelligent Production Management MES system, and realized a complete quality control system. Newland established its subsidiary Ningbo Newland International Trade Company Limited, with a sales team with both market development capabilities and professional knowledge reserves, serving the complete value chain of project design, project implementation, and project after-sales. At the same time, Newland Magnetics Europe Company Limited was established to provide customers with timely services. Our products are sold to more than 60 countries and regions in the world, and we have established in-depth cooperation with Fortune 500 companies, such as Tesla and ThyssenKrupp, etc. Welcome to contact us. We're looking forward to providing you with one-stop magnets customization services and product solutions.